Hello, a very good morning to you. A chilly start to the day today. Little pockets of mist and fog around this morning, but as you can see from the latest satellite and radar image, beautiful blue skies getting out now. And this afternoon here in the northwest, it is going to be a really fine day. Lots of sunshine, just a little bit of very high cloud bubbling up at times, and winds are falling very light, even along our coastline. And this is allowing temperatures a bit of a boost, perhaps 18 Celsius out there today. Into this evening, another dry and largely clear night, and temperatures will dip to around freezing or thereabouts in rural spots. Towns and cities staying away from zero, winds falling light, and again perhaps some mist and fog, particularly down towards the Peak District before dawn. On to tomorrow, a chilly start to the day but dry and fine. Again, plenty of brightness around through the morning, but cloud will build through the afternoon. It stays dry, but it's increasingly dull to end the day. Winds picking up a touch later, but despite that, temperatures around average, 17 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Looking ahead to the weekend, perhaps a dry start on Saturday, but rain will move in from the west later and it'll feel cool. From Sunday, it's going to tend to recover. High pressure reinstates itself, so it's fine. Thank you. Good afternoon. Beautiful blue skies and plenty of sunshine today. Just a little bit of fair weather cloud bubbling up at times this afternoon. Staying dry, temperatures doing very well at 18 degrees. As we head through into this evening, it remains dry and fine. A few pockets of mist and fog, Cheshire, Peak District way. Other than that, again, like last night, perhaps just a little bit chilly as we wake up tomorrow morning. And for many of us, a fine start to the day tomorrow. Increasing cloud from the east as we head through the afternoon. By tomorrow evening, it's a little bit dull. But before that, dry, bright, temperatures to 17 Celsius tomorrow before rain moves in on Saturday. Hello again. High pressure has been dominating our weather the last couple of days, so it's been fine and bright. Chilly again tonight with some lovely sunshine to start the day tomorrow, but cloud will build. And on Saturday, a spell of rain to come before high pressure reinstates itself from Sunday into next week. Back to the details then. You can see out to the west that front cloud and rain building, and that will move in through Saturday, pushing through quite promptly though. So for Sunday, another fine day to come. Back to the details for this afternoon and into this evening. Dry, a few pockets of mist and fog, Cheshire, Derbyshire way, but for the most part we just about avoid a frost. Rural areas perhaps down to 2 or 3 degrees. Very light winds, a dry night to come, and a chilly, bright start to Friday for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man. During the course of the day, cloud will build from the east, but it remains dry into the afternoon with temperatures around average for the time of year, 17 Celsius, not feeling too bad at all. Looking ahead and through tomorrow night, we'll see more cloud building, and then during Saturday, a spell of rain and a cool feel to the start of the weekend before high pressure reinstates from Sunday. A fine end to the week and a dry start to next with light winds. Bye-bye. Hello again. There's been plenty of sunshine on offer today and again tomorrow. Fine start before cloud builds, and we do have rain moving in for the first part of this weekend. From Sunday, settling down again weather-wise into next week with high pressure in charge and some chilly nights to come. This is the rain that will be winging in from the west as we approach Saturday. It clears through quite quickly, and for Sunday some sunshine to round off the week with high pressure back in the driving seat from then onwards. Back to tonight for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man. Dry, clear, little pockets of mist and fog for rural parts of Derbyshire, Cheshire tonight, and winds falling light. Perhaps a touch of frost in very sheltered spots, but mostly 3 or 4 Celsius away from our urban areas before dawn. On to tomorrow. The sun is up at 7:03, setting at 7:01 tomorrow evening. For most of us here in the northwest of England and for the Isle of Man, a fine start to the day. Mist lifting, blue skies and plenty of sunshine with a little bit more of a breeze for Irish sea coasts on and off through the day. Cloud will build from the east as we head through tomorrow afternoon, and that will leave us on a rather dull note to end the day, but it's dry if a little cloudy. 17 Celsius, around average for the time of year, not feeling too bad at all, but cloud will build through tomorrow night, and we'll begin to see that rain moving in from the west as we head into Saturday. 1 or 2 heavy bursts as it moves through, accompanied by some breezy conditions and feeling cool, but improving. For Sunday, brighter, drier, lots of sunshine on offer, and temperatures get a bit of a boost. And next week looks settled and generally dry. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye. Hello again. High pressure has been keeping things nice and settled. The only fly in the ointment will be Saturday. A rain band will move in. After that, it's dry and settled again into next week with chilly nights ahead and a bit of brightness to come. Overnight tonight, many areas are dry, settled and fine, and just a little bit chilly with some mistiness for rural parts of Derbyshire and Cheshire before dawn. Temperature-wise, just about avoiding a frost, but a fresh start away from built-up areas. On to tomorrow, the sun is up at 7:03, setting at 7:01 tomorrow evening. For the northwest of England and the Isle of Man, after any early mist and fog lifts, tomorrow will be another fine day, plenty of sunshine around at first, before cloud builds from the east during tomorrow afternoon. Later on the day, rather dull, but staying dry, 17 Celsius, not feeling too bad at all. And through tomorrow night, we'll begin to see that cloud thickening up and winds increasing just a touch as a rain band moves in for Saturday. So a damp, breezy and cool start to the weekend before high pressure reinstates itself from Sunday. We'll see some recovery, more sunshine on offer to end the weekend and into next week, looking settled with some chilly nights to come. Good night.